Okay, it's your boy DJ Virus, and I come today to give you guys a little bit more sauce about this music business. As an upcoming artist, you may not be financially stable yet, and you need to learn how to do a lot of stuff for yourself. So I'm here today to give you some more information on how to be independent, an independent artist. You hear the name? It's called independent artist. So there's a bunch of stuff that you need to know, and this is a very important thing that you need to know in the music business. When you upload a track, you need to advertise and show something exciting to your viewers to catch them. And one of the many things that artists fail to do is to come up with a catchy thumbnail. A catchy what? Thumbnail. A thumbnail is a picture that showcase what you're trying to advertise on your YouTube. When the YouTube viewers are searching for like different tracks or what they're into, and if that particular video that you do is something that they want to watch or listen to, you always try to catch them with a catchy thumbnail. So, for instance, billboard. Have you ever been driving on the I-95 or wherever you're from, and you see a big sign with a catchy, maybe a guy or a girl on it dancing, and it captivate you? That's what a thumbnail is for in the music world. So a thumbnail, I'm gonna describe it and I'm gonna give you a more definition answer. A thumbnail is a small image that previews what a video is about. So it previews to the listeners or the viewer what your video is about. A thumbnail appears when you browse YouTube videos and can encourage viewers to click and watch your video. So you see, your thumbnail is very important for your video, for your YouTube channel. You guys have to have it, and you have to know the dimension and how to create a catchy thumbnail. In more videos, I am going to teach you guys how to make a catchy and clean looking thumbnail in my next upcoming video. Also, the size of a thumbnail is very important to know the size, because you will be uploading different pictures on your thumbnail, but you got to know the size, the right size, so it could work. The size is 1280 times 720 pixel. So I'm gonna make another video, guys, on how to teach you guys how to upload a thumbnail with the correct definition size. It's 1280 times 720 pixel with a minimum width of 640 640 pixel. So in today's video, I spoke to you guys about a thumbnail. A thumbnail is a picture that appears on your YouTube, and YouTube doesn't do it for you. You gotta create this thumbnail. You gotta dig deep and come up with creative pictures, something catchy that's gonna catch your viewers with whatever you're trying to advertise. So if you guys need any more further information, just leave it in the inbox and I will reply to you guys. Thank you.